On the video. True. I know you heard me on the radio. True. But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriend. Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title and the swimsuit, today's video is how I care for crochet hair post swimming. Now, I've released some swim-friendly hair video on both my Instagram and TikTok, and with that has come over 100,000 views on both videos individually, over 2,000 new subscribers on both platforms combined, and with new subscribers, with new followers, always means questions. A lot of questions that I might have already the answers for on this platform, but for those finding me there, they're new. Now, I have about 3 or 4 how I wash my crochet hair videos on this platform. I have it at home. I have it in my old house. I have it on a cruise ship. I have the video multiple times here on this platform. So my goal is today to show you, 1, how I swim with crochet hair, and 2, have it so that I can also convert it easily to short form content so people on those platforms can see how I do things. Now, people over here are going to get that long form content, going to get all the details. Those people are going to get 60-second sound bites. Now, I have to preface this because I've been getting a lot of questions on all my platforms, really, thinking that this is a replacement for a swim cap, and that's not at all what I'm saying. I got a recent comment that said, I'm going scuba diving for 5 days, 3 times each day, so a total of 15 times. I'm not saying that this is a replacement for your swim cap situations. If I'm swimming for my cardio, for my exercise, if I'm at the Y, if I'm at my hair pole, I'm going to always have my swim turban on. If I'm not filming content for you guys, I'm going to have my swim turban or my swim cap. I still alternate between both. It depends on which one is wet at the time. I've gotten questions on where I got this cap from. I got this cap 6 or 7 years ago. I think it's 7 at this point, from Amazon. They don't still have the link, unfortunately, from when I bought this cap. But all it is a cap made for long hair. So just search Amazon for swim caps for long hair. I think this one said specifically it was for locks. So they make them that way. And then I swim turban, you guys, I will link that video up above. You guys know I did a review on this swim turban last year. Got it from YGN is the site name. I would have those on 9 times out of 10 if I'm swimming at home. My video titles are always clear every year when I make my swim friendly videos. It says vacation in there. It says vacation. It says beaches. If I'm going somewhere where a swim cap might not be feasible, you know, you're at a pool party, you're at a beach, you're at Vegas, by the poolside, it might not be feasible to say, hey, let me whip out my swim turban. I'm about to go swim a few laps. Those aren't the times where you're typically swimming a few laps. If you're in a pool and you're saying, I'm about to swim a few laps, get my heart rate flowing, pull out that swim cap. This is for, again, the vacations, the beaches, the times where the time that you might be swimming is going to be less than 8 times. If you are swimming, like this woman said, scuba diving 15 times, I'm putting a swim cap on. I'm putting a swim cap on. I'm putting a swim cap on more times than I'm not, but I do not wear swim caps in some of my videos that you've seen when I'm testing a hair. For me, it's only because I'm testing a hair, I'm testing the water friendliness of it, and I'm showing you how good a hair is without a swim cap. Swim caps make things easier for me, especially when I'm learning. It's hard to have hair by your side. It's just hard sometimes, just hair worrying about it. So not worrying about it, especially last year when I was taking those lessons. And the hair I have in right now, I haven't installed video on it. I will link that up above as well. It's 2 weeks. I do not have my review up as of now. However, I will have it up probably maybe a week or so after I post this video. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. This is the Freetress Joyful Curl. I have it in the color T30 and I've had it in, again, like I said, for 2 weeks. So I don't know how it holds up in water. We're going to find out today. We're going to find out all of that. And you're going to also see how I care for my crochet hair. So if you want to go to the pool with me, come back in, shower, do all those fun things, just keep watching.
The city is my palace, jealous. The city is my palace. The city is my palace, jealous. The city is my palace. The city is my palace, jealous. The city is my palace. We won't waste no time. We wanna know about the girl them. About the girl them. About the girl them. But she gon' slide right to my city is my palace. The city is my palace, jealous. The city is my palace. But we won't waste no time. I want she and she, and they love them some me. I can't even speak to all of them, so I call her on the. She gon' pick up on the first ring. We got her
So this is me post swim. I'm sorry, my eyes are so red. I don't know if it's showing up, but I didn't wear my goggles. Normally, I would have my goggles on. I just, again, I'm trying to give you an authentic beach vacation situation. This is how the hair is looking. We're here for the hair. I can already say, again, the hair is hairing. The worst part is my edges because they're going to, like, the edge control was holding them babies down. That's the thing that you're going to have to be mindful of is if your braid or braids your scalp to infinity and you don't have any of your hair that kind of lingers, this won't be a problem. But some of my hair lingers. But other than that, I could literally continue on about my journey. If I was on a vacation, I wouldn't have to immediately run to the room and like do anything because the hair, I mean, other than the droplets of water that are coming and permeating off the hair right now, there is literally nothing that is bad about this hair. I think it's gonna get my beach friendly seal of approval. I'm already starting with that, but the video is about how I care for it after. So we're gonna wash the hair. So I'm gonna head on over to the shower. Not wash the hair. Let's be clear. I'm washing my hair. The crochet hair itself, it's not the most important thing. Your hair up under it is the most important thing. So let's go wash my hair and I'll show you how I do that. So starting with shampoo, I'm using the Olaplex #4 shampoo that I typically always use on my natural hair. You guys know I say in these videos that I would not recommend using your best products for this. And I know Olaplex is an expensive product, but I realize I don't have any other shampoo in my arsenal right now other than this one. So had to do what I had to do, concentrating that shampoo again on my own hair. I'm not going to spend time using a $28 product on synthetic knot hair at all. I'm going to focus that again on my actual hair, making sure to get in there and again have kind of bigger parts this time around so it's easier to kind of slide that shampoo right on in there and wash that out. After that shampoo is rinsed out, I'm going to go in with my Olaplex #5 conditioner and repeat pretty much the same process. Only difference is I'll let the conditioner sit for about 10 minutes. This is not a deep conditioner by any means, nor do I want to deep condition my hair while it's in this state. I typically deep condition my hair after I take out crochet braids. So this just normal conditioner suffices for the process, and I rinse that out as well. Now that my hair is shampooed and conditioned, we can move on to blow drying. Again, concentrating that blow dryer on my actual hair. The crochet hair will dry in no time. But just like with the shampoo and conditioner, the whole focus of this is on my own hair. You can notice that I didn't apply my Olaplex to the crochet hair. It's fine. The product ran down it as I was washing it out. It's totally fine. Your commitment is to your own hair. So make sure you blow dry it. Take as long as you need to make sure your hair is dry. But for me, it didn't take super long. But again, you want to just blow dry and focus on blow drying your own hair because I do get comments sometimes from people saying, I feel like my scalp is going to be musty. It shouldn't be if it's properly dried. Applying some moisture back to my scalp, I'm going to apply the Mielle Organics Rosemary and Mint Oil. If you follow my channel, you know I love this. And it does have that tea tree oil in there, so it gives your scalp that good tingling feeling. Also, to kind of bring myself back to reality, I'm going to need my edges laid. So going in with my Hicks edges, my edge control that I've been using for years and years, just laying them edges back down so I can feel a sense of self. And last but not least, I did not forget about the crochet here. It needs some loving too. So I'm going to go in with that Miracle Worker 14-in-1 by the brand Hawaiian Silky. You guys know I love this for adding back some luster, some sheen to the hair. Going in water, whatever the water may be, it does suck a little bit out of the hair. And it can leave the hair feeling a little bit of dryness, especially if it's a colored hair like I have in right now. It can feel a little bit on the drier side. You don't want that, so you want to apply some product to give it some quote-unquote moisture. It's not really moisture since it's not hair, but it gives it something. So this has been the entire process. Let me turn around so you guys can see how my hair is looking. Let me lean in so you guys can see. And then get really close into, like, get really in there with how my hair is on that side, how it is on this side overall, how my hair looks as a unit. And again, this is post swim. So I would say what a total of 5 products used all throughout this process: shampoo, conditioner, the oil that I put between my hair, Hawaiian Silky, and my edge control. 5 products, and that is it. It has taken me less than 30 minutes, and 45 of that was swimming in the pool. So 30 minutes, quick drying. All you have to do, again, dry the braids up underneath. Don't have to really focus heavily on this. This hair will dry. It will dry, trust me. Again, the reason I say this isn't for your 20 swim times is that, yes, over time it will get to be a bit much, washing and washing and washing over and over again. That's why I say, if it's going to be multiple swimmings, if it's going to be a class, a scuba diving, you're taking lessons Monday, Wednesday, Friday type of a situation, yes, this is it. And it's great that you can have crochet hair up under this too. So even if a little sliver of water soaks in, it's not going to be a problem at all. This is, again, a method for a few swims. You're going to get your hair wet a few times. You're going to swim in the ocean. You're going to swim in a pool. And then this is the process. And again, I do my whole deep condition, wash my hair, and all of that post taking the crochet hair out as well. That's heavily important. That's what really helps my length retention, is the care that I give to my hair pre and post installing that crochet hair. This is an ever revolving thing, but I promise you my process will not be different 2 years from now, 6 years from now. The process will be exactly the same. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up even if you did not enjoy it. We want all the love and support over here on this channel, as well as we want you to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Have that notification bell on so you're extra sure that you won't miss a thing. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89 as I grow my platform, or continue to grow my platform over there. TikTok at Lia Lavon, which is a ever evolving platform for me where I have a lot of fun. So come over there and have fun with me there. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
On the video. True. I know you heard me on the radio.
True.
But you still don't pay me no attention.